In today's video, I'm going to be checking out the Fanttik E1 Max Precision Electric Screwdriver. Designed to be used on devices like phones, laptops, watches, or anything that requires sensitive precision when screwing or unscrewing smaller screws. Let's kick things off by exploring what's in the box. Included in the box, we have a USB-C cable to charge, tweezers, pry bar, user manual, a magnetic storage box, an aluminum alloy case, 50 screwdriver bits, and the E1 Max screwdriver. When everything is packed in the storage box, you can easily eject the inner storage box by pressing down on the top. Once the spring-loaded top is pressed, it will eject both the inner case along with the bits, tweezer, pry bar, as well as the screwdriver. The bits in the storage box are held in place magnetically, making it easy both to grab and put away the bits. The bits included in the kit are 6 crosshead, 2 square, 9 hex, 6 flatheads, 6 Y-types, 3 Torx, 7 Torx with holes, 3 U-type, 3 penta, 1 W-type, 1 SIM ejector, and 3 tri. Operating the screwdriver is straightforward and easy to identify and how to use it. Along the top, you have the charging port. When charging the screwdriver, you won't be able to use it. The charging status is shown by the small LED by the charging port, which will let you know when the battery's down to 20%, when it's charging, and when it's done charging. Also along the top is where you'll adjust the torque of the screwdriver between low and high. Leaving it in the lock position prevents it from being able to screw anything, but will allow you to use it as a mini flashlight. Once you select your speed, use the up and down arrows to either tighten or loosen the screw. In either direction, the LED will light up the area that you're using it on. Should the screwdriver have an issue when removing a screw, the LED by the bit will begin to flash. This indicates if you're using a low speed that you should probably switch it to high, and if it's already set to high, you may not be able to use this screwdriver. This is where I'm going to end today's video. All the product links can be found down in the description down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.